My name is Michaela. I came to see Dr. McCracken. I am an esthetician. I have my own skincare business. I had a client of Dr. McCracken's that had come to see me, and she had had some laser surgery done. Just amazing results, amazing results. At that particular time, I had a lot of clients asking me about Botox and Restylane injections, which I do not do. I wanted somebody very dependable and very professional that I could send those people to. So I came to Dr. McCracken to visit with him about collaborating on that effort. And one thing led to another.
Well, why don't you tell us, once we started talking about your concerns with your face, why don't you tell us some of the things that you mentioned to me?
Absolutely. You know, I'm 52 years old, and over time, and one of the things that had bothered me for just a long period of time was a lot of lidding on my eyes. I felt like my eyes were closing up as I aged. I didn't feel fresh. I didn't feel youthful anymore. I had a lot of extra fat underneath my eyes, above my eyes, and it was wearing me down to the place that I just didn't want to present myself in pictures or photos. And I just looked tired all of the time. And in the business that I'm in, I felt that was very negative. So as we spoke about that, Dr. McCracken gave me some options, and we decided to do that, and it's been the best thing I've done. Absolutely.
And obviously Michaela's a very good-looking woman, but she was concerned that she was starting to look a little older, and she didn't want to look like someone else. She just wanted to look like a younger version of herself, like she used to look. And so what we did for her, starting off with her eyes, which is where a lot of people focus their attention, and the eyes can show aging very early. So I was able to remove some extra skin from up above here, along with some of the fat pad in the center there. And in her lower eyelids, I was able to tighten the lower lids up a little bit, in addition to removing some of the fat bags down here and some of the extra skin hanging down, to help give her a better rested, more refreshed look. And then we did some work also in her forehead. She was complaining about all the lines in her forehead, and we were able to use Dysport to help relax those muscles, to help with those lines. Also, she thought that her lower face was starting to sag and look a little bit deflated, and so we were able to add some volume using Perlane in her cheeks to help bring her cheeks up and give her those more youthful looking cheeks, and also in the nasolabial fold area between the nose and mouth, in order to help fill in some of that fold.